Right, peoples, I am up on the top of the Pennines. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, he's still asleep. But I'm parked up here on a car park for the walkers. They got a cafe in it. I'm on a bit of a gimp, but I slept okay last night. And we're going to have another night here by the looks. And because we can't get in until 12 o'clock tomorrow, I think it is. So yeah, the next place we're going to, we can't get in until 12 o'clock. So I'm just about to jump on the suicide thing and take to the Pennine Trail. I want to go and sit on top of the bridge and film the motorway underneath it, because it's quite a way off the motorway and it is high. All this traffic disappears at night time along here. There's a bit going by. And of course it's just here because there's a fair climb coming up the hill off the motorway, the M62, but the lorries changed gear here, so, but they're alright going downhill because they're freewheeling downhill. So yeah, we never had no boy racers in last night. It does say on park for night that it can get noisy. There is another park up over there by the tower, but that was noisy over there. They have setting fireworks off and they had a bonfire and everything over there, so I'm glad we didn't go up into that one. Right, I'm gonna go for a bike ride. Catch you in a while. Well, I'm definitely glad we're not pretty far close to this. I don't know whether you can hear it or not on the microphone, but I'm on top of the M62. And I do believe this is the highest point over there of the M62 in the peaks, on the Pennines, I should say. And it is noisy. And the motorway, as I said, the westbound was shut last night. Eastbound was still open, but they were out. You can still see the cones out there now. But man, oh man, it is noisy. Yeah, there's a post marker down there, M62 B75.0, and it feels queer to be this high, and this is a concrete bridge and I can feel it moving. Well, it's a lot of traffic. And nobody's blown their horn yet. Some more Ikers over there. There is, if you come off on this junction, you will go down and you turn off and you go up that way. But if you go and left, there is another park up down there, but I've been there before. There's no service on the phone. Well, very limited service, and there's definitely no internet. That's why we opted to go up on the top. It's colder up there, it's windier. A lot windier. And I am pretty close to Manchester, yeah, and I left my bike up there. I gotta try and get back up that hill. I had to push it downhill. Whoa, I tell you what, this bridge doesn't half move. It's a concrete bridge, it shouldn't move. Right, well I'm now as good as stood in the middle of the motorway. How many dash cams am I on now? Now I see truck driver, he had the right idea. He pulled into the middle lane to let this merging traffic come in off the slip road. Yeah. I mean, he can't pull out because there's somebody in the middle lane, but you can sit there and argue over it all day. Like, if you can, pull in the middle lane, let the traffic flow out as well. Right, as you could tell, it is bloody windy, and I'm glad I got the muff on, so I'll drop the camera down on the motorway, shall I? Right, that's it. I'm going to make my way back up. It's going to take me ages to get back up that hill. I got to push it up that hill because it was steep. Unless I roll it down this hill and go up the motorway. Whoa, this fucking this bridge doesn't bloody move. It's concrete. And as you can see by the shadow, it's concrete with arches underneath it. Right, that's it. I don't think I'm going to film anything else here unless I come across something exciting. Oh, and now I can't reach to turn my bloody camera off. Yeah, leave Will's in front of everybody's, because nobody will nick that thing, will they? Yeah. And then put his up against there. You can hook your helmet on mine if you want to.
There we go. No stuff.
No.
No, not on mine.
No, it's too heavy.
This is about literally half an hour from where I grew up, so I'm used to coming to all the places. Thank you.
So, what are you having?
Haddock chips.
He's having cheese and onion. What are you having, Will? You're having the bill.
Thanks very much.
Oh, bump. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Horses coming towards us.
Car behind. Okay, thanks. One more fire, that one. I mean, you were squeaking yesterday, now you're going flap, 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 flap. You don't know what to eat. Combined cars, I guess, isn't it? Cheers. Look how big is outside the pub. I thought they were all gone home by this afternoon. Car behind.
Hello.
What are you on?
I'm on
A mission.
Strawberry
You're on a
Fruits.
mission.
Yes.
What about you, Dee?
Strong both dark fruits.
What are you on there? Some bloody nice bikes here today, and it is heaving. Bank Holiday Monday, and it is heaving. Outside this pub again. I thought the sign was up there. There's no signs. Yeah. Only trouble is when the bikes start up, they're noisy then. But it's nice when the sun's out and they're like that early there. That is glistening. I just love the way the shadow of that on the wall, right, makes it look as if the pop is in the heart. And the pop is facing us in the frame, but on the shadow, it's right in the heart. Fair dues. Who are you?
Hey.
D.
Hey.
Who am I? Who are you?
I don't know.
Well, we can understand that, the amount he's had. He's had 2 pints, hand to sniff of the barman's apron.